Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make over this corner house. It's around 9 and 8.5 meter. Okay, first of all we can see about the existing condition, so we can make another variation of it. We can explore it with the rectangle. Start from here. Maybe we can make another element for privacy purpose. So then we can make it group anyway, and then we can make it component and just create. Okay, and then just move to the right position. Okay, and then we can place on this position. Okay, and then we can move and duplicate. Okay, and after that we can also select it all. We can also select this all anyway. Okay, but except with this column. So and then we can move it to the another position and duplicate it. So and then we can duplicate it again to the another position, and maybe we can use duplicate again on this position, and then we can type 90 degree. So then we can just place on here anyway, just place on here. Okay, and after that we can also make another extend canopy over there. Okay, we can extend this canopy. Okay, so it will look more length than before anyway. And after that we can also make the highest than before of it anyway. Then we can also make the rectangle of it, so then we can push it to the left side anyway. Okay, and after that we can make another color of it. Maybe we can use it, and we can use the wood material. We can use this wood material. Okay, we can select the material and place on this position. Okay, and after that we can also adjust the color. We can use the gray color, for example. Okay, so then we can assign with the gray color, and then we can assign with the glass material. Okay, we can assign on the glass material, all of our glass material over there. Okay, and after that we can make another material with the roof material. We can use roofing, so then we can select this material. Okay, and then we can adjust it, and after that we can also adjust the color of the roof material with the dark material. Okay, just like this. And then we can also adjust the wall texture with the cladding stucco white, so then we can apply to another wall over there. Okay, and then we can add more landscaping element over there. We can just add more landscaping element in here and in this position. Okay, just something like this, and then we can make the 2-point arc. We can use 2-point arc to make a curve component. Okay, so then we have push it up, and then we have to push it inside just a little, and then we can set the landscaping material. We can use grass material, and select all, make group, and select all and deselect it, and then we can assign with the concrete to make a concrete barrier of it. So then we can assign the landscaping material of it. We can using the step buffer flagstone gray anyway. So then we can adjust the concrete material, or maybe you can use this on the semi outdoor element. And after that we can assign with the component. Can assign with the component with the 3 component. Okay, so we can select the 3 component on this option. We can select this, place on this, and then we can select scale to scale it down. Okay, we have to scale it down and maybe we can just place on one tree, and we can make the green color of the tree material. Okay, something like this, and then we can set the opacity, and after that we can also make the another landscape element in this position, and then we can push it up and offset it inside just a little, select it all, and we can assign with this material. So and then we can assign with this material also, and then we can make it group, and then we can copy it to the another position. We can use move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and we can use rotate to rotate it with 90 degree of rotation anyway. So then we can move and press Ctrl and press on this, and press Ctrl and press on this position. Okay, and it's done anyway, and we can complete all of material with it. Okay, and maybe we can use the wood material for the door over there. Can use material for the door, and for frame material for door frame and window frame anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you to make this makeover of the simple house to be charming house anyway, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.